Well, hello there. I'm Kim Berry, Editor of Food and Drink Business. Welcome to Play, our weekly news roundup brought to you by Hydroflux, a leading provider of tailored water treatment solutions. Because no two operations are the same, Hydroflux emphasises the importance of customised water and wastewater solutions to meet specific needs. In the news today, one of Australia's largest refrigerated freight companies, Watson Transport Coldstores, has closed its doors after operating for almost 80 years. The family-owned third-generation company told employees last week that current economic conditions had forced the decision. CEO Lyndon Watson assured staff that all entitlements, redundancy and notice periods would be paid. The company had more than 300 trucks in its refrigerated fleet and 4 cold stores on the East Coast. Now, more than 2 years in the making, Treasury Wine Estates has launched a $15 million low and no alcohol wine production facility in the Barossa Valley. The build features state-of-the-art dealcoholisation technology with world-first patent-pending processes for treating the aromatic component of wine that locks in flavour. TWE also launched Sorbet, a low-alcohol brand that it's developed with Endeavour Group. It blends traditional varietals like Prosecco and Rosé and Shiraz with fruit and berry flavours such as passion fruit, mango and lemon. It has a lower ABV of around 8%. You'll see that in stores in around October. An interesting aside is that while Endeavour has weathered many challenges since 2022, back then no low alcohol products accounted for 5 of its top 10 fastest growing categories. And 40% of 18 to 20-year-olds now say they consume alcohol only once a month, if at all, and it was half that a decade ago. Ironically, no low versions of beer may be what stems its steady decline in consumption that we've been witnessing for about 2 decades, with one industry insider telling me that their beer range, a third of it is now no, low or mid-stream beer. Meanwhile, TWE Group winemaker Toby Barlow said that bringing dealcoholisation in-house will improve the quality of no and low alcohol wines, as well as giving consumers more choice across grape varieties. Staying with wine, Vinarchy has wasted no time in starting to streamline operations between what was Accolade Wines and Pernod Ricard Wines. It says Berry Estates in the Riverland will be its primary commercial winemaking, packaging and warehousing hub, and that Adelaide will be its global corporate headquarters. A 12-month transition plan includes establishing 2 winemaking hubs in South Australia and a shift to focus investment at key cellar door locations. Now that's going to see Rolf Binder and Banrock Station cellar door and restaurant operations close. Vinarchy said it will invest $30 million in the Roland Flats site and build a centre of excellence for premium and sparkling wine. It's also going to support advanced viticulture and winemaking techniques. Global food industry equipment manufacturer Heat and Control has acquired UK-based Fabcon Food Systems, expanding its range of processing and handling equipment systems for the sector. It follows the acquisition of 2 other UK operators, Tech Dry Systems and Hunt Heat Exchangers, to strengthen its thermal processing and heat exchange solutions for food manufacturers. Global flavour company McCormick has unveiled a state-of-the-art trade waste treatment facility at its factory on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland. The upgrade was developed in collaboration with Aerofloat and designed to support the increased production capacity for its gourmet garden range. The treatment facility took 7 months to complete and will manage liquid waste generated by manufacturing. It can process 25 to 40 cubic metres of wastewater per hour and has a 500 kilolitre holding capacity. And finally, cast your mind back to 2021, when Mondelez International acquired Australian premium cracker manufacturer Gourmet Food Holdings for an eye-watering sum of money. Well, the OG cracker disruptors are back, this time looking to shake up the snack food aisle. Their new company, SnackHQ, is looking to fill a gap in the snack food market with a range that is high quality, nutritious, innovative, and most importantly, tastes good, but also sits at a palatable price point. First brand to market is called Refill, with 3 natural fruit slice bars. Those lunch boxes are rattling. It's currently in selected IGAs, and I suspect it will take very little time for it to be in one or both of the 2 big retailers. I think that'll do for today. Thanks again to Hydroflux For all of these stories and more, head to the website foodanddrinkbusiness.com.au. And with that, I'm Kim Berry. Over and out.